Go.
Vaccines. What are the facts? What if I told you that polio, hepatitis B, and measles have re-emerged into our world? Well, these vaccine-preventable diseases that were once eliminated have re-emerged because of the choice people have made to not get vaccinated. Some may believe that vaccinations can be harmful. However, this is false. There are many reasons why you should get your vaccinations. One is to prevent yourself from being sick. Another is to prevent others from getting sick and or to eradicate the diseases. Most anti-vaxxers believe that vaccinations cause autism and other disorders. However, this is completely false. The belief comes from a paper published by now discredited researcher Andrew Wakefield in 1998. This study is where the vaccine autism controversy started. Wakefield claimed in this article that there was a correlation between autism and certain types of vaccinations. However, this information was totally false. Consequently, the Lancet retracted the paper. The research was described as elaborate fraud, and Wakefield lost his medical license. However, by now, the false information spread and the damage had been done. People looked at this one false article and told their friends and family about the dangerous side effects to vaccines. This false article started chaos that is still present almost 20 years later. Wakefield's article has caused many parents around the world to not vaccinate their children, leading to the re-emergence of several diseases. However, there are several ways to prevent disease. One is getting vaccines for yourself. Getting your vaccines may not only prevent you from getting sick, but improve your overall health. According to the World Health Organization, aside from clean water, vaccinations are one of the most influential public health interventions for improving the world's health. Getting your vaccinations is the only way to prepare your immune system to better fight off diseases. Quote, vaccines are one of the most impactful public health successes of our time. Dr. Zur, head of infectious disease at Seattle Children's Hospital, explained. She goes on to say, quote, at the beginning of the 20th century, infectious diseases took an enormous toll on the population. Now we can protect our children and the community with safe vaccines, and we've seen incredible benefits like the eradication of smallpox, the near elimination of polio, and substantial reduction in the rates of bacterial meningitis, end quote. The next reason is to keep others around us healthy and try to eliminate as many diseases as possible. Vaccinations have been around for years, working to eradicate multiple types of diseases. For example, polio. The disease first made its debut in 1789. However, in 1952, according to the World Health Organization, quote, record 57,628 cases of polio were reported in the U.S., end quote. Then the polio virus vaccine came out in 1955, and the number of reported cases drastically fell. The World Health Organization reports polio cases have decreased by over 99% since 1988, from an estimated more than 350,000 cases to 22 reported cases in 2017. This reduction is the result of the vaccination. If people continue to not receive their vaccinations, there is a great risk for many other diseases to make a comeback. That's why it is so important to get vaccinated. Vaccines are a vital part of the world's health. Although some may believe false information, you should always get your vaccinations to avoid getting sick and avoid getting others sick.